In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to TradingView 2025 step by step. First, open TradingView and head to any chart. It doesn't matter which market you start with, stocks, crypto, or Forex, because we're just using the chart interface to access the connection tools. Make sure you're signed in to your TradingView account so your connection can be saved for later sessions. At the bottom of the chart, look for the Trading panel. If you don't see it, check that your window isn't zoomed in too much or that the panel isn't collapsed. You can expand it by clicking the small tab along the bottom edge. This panel is where all supported brokers and exchanges appear. In the broker list, scroll until you find Binance. There's also a search field if the list is long. Click Binance to highlight it, and you'll see a Connect option appear. Go ahead and click Connect. This tells TradingView you want to link your charting workspace with your Binance account so you can trade directly from the interface you're already analyzing on. A secure Binance login window will pop up. Log in to your Binance account when prompted using your normal credentials. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked for additional verification like an authentication code. Complete the login as you normally would on Binance. Next, you'll be asked to authorize TradingView to access your Binance account. This is important. Authorization allows TradingView to read balances and place orders on your behalf, but only within the permissions you approve. Review the request, make sure you recognize the TradingView app, and confirm. If you're ever unsure, double-check you're on the official TradingView and Binance domains before proceeding. Once connected, you'll see your Binance account details appear in the trading panel. This usually includes your account name or ID, balances, and status. If it shows as connected, you're good to go. If it doesn't, try refreshing the page or reconnecting using the same steps. Now you can place buy and sell orders directly from the TradingView chart using Binance. Use the order ticket in the trading panel or the buy and sell buttons near the chart. Choose your order type, market, limit, or others. Set your quantity and double-check that the symbol on your chart matches the trading pair on Binance to avoid mistakes. Always confirm the order summary before submitting and consider starting with a small size while you get comfortable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.